good with it though, man?
Hey, everything's good, man. We blessed out here, man.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying?
We're blessed to be back in the sneaker room.
Yes, sir.
For another episode of KROSSOVERKICKS TV.
Where real recognizes real, baby.
Yeah, man. And it's your boy Khalid.
Hey, and it's J.O. back in the building, back in the shoe room, in the sneaker room, whatever you want to call it.
Yep, and we got an unreleased stateside Nike. I know, we got to get the credentials out of the way. I had to pull the box.
Well, yeah, that's what
here,
we got.
I
don't disrespect. Don't
My
disrespect.
bad. I'm saying, okay, go ahead. Go ahead and handle that, man. I'm just excited, man.
But
just excited.
we appreciate you for checking in with us. If it's your first time, please hit that subscribe button. Hopefully you like this video. Actually, matter of fact, I know you're going to love this video.
Yeah.
And
double click that like button.
Double click it. And what do we always say, man? What is it?
Well, we gotta keep them commenting in the comments.
Oh yeah, comment
in the comment
like,
section,
subscribe,
all that good stuff.
All that.
This whole shoe thing.
Yeah.
We don't only do it for us.
Yeah.
We do it for y'all as well. You know, it's fun. And if it's your first time in the shoe room, you know what the tradition is.
You know what it is, man.
Go foot check wise.
Yeah, man.
You wanna go first?
Nah, yours is consistent with what we're unboxing.
That's what I'm saying. So I was thinking maybe I should go last because
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Another shameless plug right here.
Still got the bag on it. I'm kind of undecided. Y'all let me know. Comment below.
Yeah, I like the purple, man.
I do too.
I like the purple.
Comment which one do you like better?
White or purple?
The white or purple. And you know, there's been a couple releases of these. We were just talking about the Hardwood Classics.
Yep.
And then the upcoming South Beach anticipated release, preheat release.
South Beach. Yeah. Them joints that created the LeBron 8.
But I love this LeBron, like the materials on this. I could go in on this. Check the video out, please. You know what I'm saying?
Right,
we appreciate y'all. Yeah, somewhere up here.
Yep.
But these though.
As far as these, this coincides with this pickup here. This is the Nike Air Hawk Flight from the Class of 97 pack that released at the end of 2015.
Jesus!
As you can see with these here, for those of you who don't know, this is the Total Max Uptempo. Brought these out because you see how in the back of the late 90s they had the little shiny, the shiny vibe.
Jason Kids had that joint going on.
The Zoom, I think it was the Zoom Flight 5.
Kids,
but this was actually famously worn in the NBA by not Penny Hardaway. People think it's Penny. It was never worn by Penny. Gary Payton wore these in the NBA, and this particular colorway was made famous by Jesus Shuttlesworth in the last scene. Right, in the last scene of He Got Game, where he was playing Denzel, aka the Pappy, in that one-on-one game. So y'all go check out the footage. Classic stuff.
Did Ray Allen lose that game?
No, he won. 11-5.
Oh yeah, he spanked
11-5.
He spanked him. That's right.
11-5.
I was just thinking. I was thinking, how funny would it be?
I know.
Like, if Denzel like bodied him in the.
It's funny because Denzel actually played college basketball too.
Yeah.
But,
was he like 6'2" or something like
6'2"?
that? Yeah.
But with the afro made him about the same height as Jesus at 6'5".
Yeah, man.
But anyway.
Well,
unreleased stuff, man. I already had to take it out the box. Boom, gave y'all a clue already. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but this is another iteration of the Total Max Uptempo. Here we go. Yeah. Black and silver joints, man.
Ooh, like San Antonio Spurs-esque.
Yeah,
these are fire.
This definitely looks like something Tim Duncan could have rocked.
Oh my gosh.
When he was with Nike, actually. I don't think he actually wore this sneaker.
Wow.
But yeah, Total Max Uptempo. Like I said, I don't know when these are coming out stateside. I did have to go the GOAT route and scoop them up early. This sneaker's just
I mean, just because I love the fact that they're using different materials. You got
raw materials.
Yeah, you got the leather, you got the suede.
A little bit of patent leather on this
one. Patent on there.
Does the black ones have it too? Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Okay.
This hit right here is patent leather. So this is, you probably referenced the Zion video of how this is why, man, because we get spoiled, us coming up spoiled with actually
the era we came up in. It was raw materials.
You feel like you're getting what you pay for because you got the full length zoom
or Air Max
I'm sorry, you got the Air Max, which was at that time was the best technology out. And then you got the premium leather, so then you can kind of justify that $100+ for the shoe. You know what I'm saying?
They originally retailed at $140 back in 98, 97, 98 season.
Yeah, that was
but yeah, like shoot. The only gripe though that I have with this colorway, I didn't even notice it on these as well. Yep, is they blacked out the swoosh right here.
Oh
they
yeah,
they should have made that.
Yeah,
like that one they should have made green.
That would have been
this
tough.
one could have been silver or even white. That's the only gripe because you can barely.
Because it's there, but yeah, I
barely
agree. I noticed that too. I'm like, why would they not?
Yeah, we're gonna show it in the close-ups, but yeah, this was early pickup. Had to do.
That
I think this actually might be the first video on YouTube to actually do it.
Yeah,
I haven't seen it. I've been scraping and scratching trying to look to see about a review for it, but
don't they use? Are they using the Pippin? Eyelets there? Is that from
it looks similar to it, but no, it's not.
No?
Pippins already came out before this, actually. Well, these originally, like I said, released in 1998. They retroed in, I think it was 2009, 2010, around there somewhere. But what they did was they made this swoosh, made it like iridescent. The purple iridescent eggplant type.
Yeah, I'm glad they went back to this.
Yeah, this was originally how it was back in the late 90s. But yeah, man. Hey,
sheesh.
Yeah, I'm happy with those, man. Happy with those. Yeah.
Fire. Dylon. That's that Dylon right there, man.
That's spit hot fire, man.
Yeah, man.
These are dope, man. But anyway, what do y'all think of them? You know, have any of y'all gotten them yet, or plan to get them? I had to get them early. I just couldn't wait.
Nah, I'm glad you did.
Yeah.
Appreciate you sharing this with me, my brother. And of course, round of applause. Round of applause. You already know this is 2 thumbs up, 2 thumbs way up on the radar. But my question is, which one y'all like better?
Yeah, which one y'all rock with?
If you had to pick,
I know.
You know
one
what I'm saying?
Two. I mean, you can't go wrong with either one.
Yeah, exactly.
But
like, and this is just
depends on what
interesting to see to see it just the different color blocking on that, because this is cool for the different materials.
Right.
Even though it's an all black shoe, it's cool because it breaks up the patent leather and the suede and everything.
Right amount of pop. Like the black and red ones. I don't know if you've seen those.
Yeah, that's
too dark. The red is too dark on it.
Yeah,
that works for that. Or even if they did something with a white. You know, or even like I think royal blue would be too dark for that too.
Yeah.
But there's ways. Yeah, they can do this.
So anyway, these though, I mean, Oh, by the way, true to size on these.
We'll probably I got them in my true to size
or whatever. But
anything that's big and bulky in the 90s, I'll always go true to size on. You know, because these things are freaking tanks.
Chunky.
Yep.
Chunky.
But anyway, with that being said, anything else you got to add, sir?
Nah, man, we appreciate y'all checking in with us.
Hey,
please like, comment, subscribe below. Let us know, first of all, if y'all rocking these, will you be picking these up?
Whenever they do come out,
when they do drop, got that early joint.
You know what I mean?
Hey, I can see why.
Yeah,
I can see why. So,
all right, man.
Congrats, man.
Said, appreciate it, man.
Yeah. We out, man. Yeah, we out of this thing, bro.
See y'all in the next episode.
All right, man.
KROSSOVERKICKS TV.
Yes, sir. Peace.